So this idea that it's just Bitcoin, just Ethereum, no, it's the technological evolution, not revolution. It's evolution, back to Darwin, adapt or die. And as we embrace all of these ideas and constructs and bring them into the world in which we all grew up in, which is financial services. And that's why I say what blockchain will do to financial services is what the internet did to media and commerce. But it doesn't just transfer market cap, it expands. Because by liberating that 6 to 8% of GDP that's wasted through rents, we now unlock, as Jimmy Song would say, creativity, ideas, ownership. And the creator economy, the direct-to-consumer economy is so unbelievable. I was with these kids, and I can call them kids because they're children, they're like younger than my kids. These two guys, young guys from USC, they already built a business that is the #1 studio for TikTokers, right? Every TikToker, and I don't know TikTok, but every TikToker that anyone's ever heard of, they helped create. They sold it, and now they're doing a new business where they have a technology to take NFTs, which NFTs are the future of everything. Every asset in the world will be an NFT. And all that it means is a digital property right. A non-fungible token is a digital property right. It's a title to property. It's not a monkey JPEG. I mean, it can be, but it's more than that. But they have an idea to make the NFTs uniform by making the metadata uniform and allowing you then to modify the NFT based on experiences. It's like, wow. So think about McDonald's, okay? Right now they spend all this money on ads, most of it wasted because people never even see it. Here, they can send an appendage, a sticker, a modifier to an NFT to a community, right? Who've already identified as people who like this type of food. They'll cut their advertising budget. Their profits will go up. They'll spend more on growth and innovation. And it's a flywheel effect. Like, I want that. I want that. And that is just one little tiny example of how this technology and how this integration of talent, because at the end of the day, innovation comes from talent. And I've never seen, and again, I've been around a long time, I got white hair to prove it. I've never seen a migration of talent as incredible as right now. The internet was close. The internet, every smart person I knew, from college friends to people I was interacting with, from law, from finance, from iBanking to consulting to healthcare, all going to the internet. It was awesome. And we built trillions and trillions of dollars of value. Now, those same people, same talent pool, younger, new examples of it, not the same people, but the kids are coming into this space. And just one little story, and I'll let you go, and then I'll just talk. So I did the last live event before the lockdowns in 20 in New York, Digital Asset Summit. And I gave just similar comments about the migration of talent is like nothing I've ever seen. And it's amazing. It's what keeps me young and energized. I'm an old guy. And I love hanging out with these young, smart people. And he comes up to me afterwards. This young guy comes up to me and says, "Would you call my mom?" I'm like, "What?" He says, "My mom thinks I'm an idiot. I left this big law firm. I'm working with this crypto company." I'm like, "Yeah, let's call your mom." So we called his mom, said, "No, your son is not an idiot. He's really smart. He's building something for the future. It's going to be awesome." And just like Steve Ballmer's mom was wrong, his mom was wrong. And there's no offense to his mom. She was just trying to protect him. But it's kind of like when I told my son, don't go to work at KPMG. No, I was trying to protect him. Do whatever you want. And now he works for Snowflake and he's doing great. And I'm really proud of him and it's awesome. But you should follow your passion and that's what's happening right now. And when passionate people rally around a technological innovation, super powerful.
So Jim Rickards has just recorded a video that's not available to anyone in the public, and he's going to be talking about how this upcoming recession is going to be fast, it's going to be bloody, it's going to be nasty. But at the same time, He's going to show you how you can position yourself to profit from all of this chaos. Now, we've made this video only available to our viewers. Go to londonreal.tv/Jim. Watch that immediately. I can't say enough good things about Jim Rickards. He understands the global economic system better than any guest I've ever had on London Real. His predictions are almost uncannily true, and you can learn how to profit from his vision, from his expertise, and his understanding of economics. So go to londonreal.tv/Jim or click the link below. It's an excellent, excellent look on what's going to happen in the future and how you can position yourself to profit from that. Jim is one of the best in the business, one of my favorite guests on London Real, and he's very, very good at predicting the future and showing us all to profit from it. So click the link, and I hope you enjoy. Hey, it's Brian Rose, founder of the DeFi Academy. I've told you my 4-week crypto bootcamp is amazing, but don't take my word for it. This is what my students are saying.
The DeFi Academy was an amazing experience for me. It took me totally out of my comfort zone.
In this course, I was challenged, I was held accountable, and pushed to do things that honestly weren't always easy.
It's been phenomenal, and I can't believe we're already up on our 4 weeks. It has flown by.
Going through this DeFi accelerator by far was one of the best courses I've taken.
You do this course, you really get into the nitty-gritty of the activities that will make you comfortable with decentralized finance.
Thank you so much to Brian and everyone at London Real and the DeFi Academy for even putting together an amazing course like this.
Anybody else that wants to do it, please sign up. It is well worth the money.